Here's a quick overview of the Google Sites that we use for our PBL weather blended unit. This is the home page, and the students started the project off and the whole unit off reading a couple emails from meteorologists in the Richmond area. So here are a few of the emails, and then at the bottom it gives you the overarching goals along with details of what they're expected to do and their requirements. And then also it includes what they need to have for their infographic, which was due every 5th day. So week 1, week 2, week 3, and then their presentation options. The home page gives the students and the parents a welcome, and it kind of introduces how we'll be learning it, what the standards are, and where they can also access more information. Each week we started with an intro video and then what was due when, so that was easily accessible. And it is broken down into 5 days in 1 week. So I had day 1, the date of it, and then what day of the week it was. And as we progressed throughout it, it got a little complicated because things popped up and we had to adapt to it, which is completely okay, but we changed it along as we went. So every first day of the week, they would start off with vocabulary, where they would complete their weather vocabulary and quizzes game. And then incorporated throughout the rest of the week were different activities that the students would do. And they were expected every day to track the weather to see and look for patterns. Here, again, activities are linked, information, videos are all in here. And then there was a Flipgrid where students could go and ask questions. It ended up where students did not go and ask any questions, but they did ask them in person. And then again at the bottom on the 5th day, there is the more infographic details along with the PBL page for hyperlinked for easy access. And then on to week 2, an intro video with what is due, their expectations. Again, beginning with the vocabulary, and then as we go down, different videos, images, and assignments for the students to participate in. And then we'll take a quick peek at week 3. And as we get more, this was very much loaded with information because it is brand new to them, and it's something that isn't easily taught, so it definitely had to be explicitly taught in the Google Sites. And at the very bottom there's more infographic where they completed it.